video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my daily routine. Well, not really daily, it's like I do it once a week, but what I have to do every once a week for my birds. So I have 2 cockatiels obviously, and this is the mess they make in 1 week. And yes, we have a plate there so it catches everything that falls down because we give them middle and they make that fall a lot, so just have it there just in case. So yeah, I mean, refill their food, give them new water, and just overall fix their place and then take them outside. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm just gonna open up this little door. They're gonna probably go a different area because they're scared. This thing right here is to catch their food. So open the door, hopefully they don't fly out. Taking out the plate. Closing it just in case they get out. And this is calcium, so it's good for them, so I'm just gonna put it back in later. This is on the trash. I have a trash can right next to me too, so. Alright. Next I'm going to take out this little black thing, which is filled with poop. And they honestly wrecked this. This is supposed to be a nesting box right here. You have a little hole for them and stuff. Well, the lighting just got 10 times better. Yes. Okay. They just took out all the toilet paper that I put in there, and there was a lot. So, yeah, that's what you're gonna see a lot of. And they have poop, which I hope you didn't see, on top of the thing, so yeah. I'm just gonna take out this. This is called middle, that I was talking about earlier. Just gonna pick up the little magazines we put under. And then I'm gonna have to take the bottom layer off. But first let me get some newspaper, which is right on the other side of the cage. Let me go get that. Okay, so open up the newspaper, easy. I'm gonna fold it up like this so I can get it through this door in case they want to fly out. I don't want to risk it. Open it up. That's basically how the cage is right now. The edges are still messy, but I can't get into there. Like, this has calcium, whatever you call it. So yeah, and then that's the first step. As you can see, Rosie's enjoying it. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean that. So I'm gonna take this little thing and put it up so I can pull the bottom layer out. It's gonna have a lot of stuff. Hopefully it'll stick. Put it right here. I'm trying to get the camera to work. But I can just hold it for right now. So this is what you have to pull out. I can't pull it out with one hand, it's hard, and I got poop all over me. Alright. I'm sorry, I had to put this down. Look at the lovely view of them right now while I clean their cage. Oh boy, okay. The messiest part is here. So this is the, oh my god. This is the messiest part right here. There's the leftover food and everything, honestly. So I'm just gonna roll it up. It's alright if it spills, I'll just pick it up later, dump it out. And I'm gonna take it and throw it away. Now with this, I'm just gonna empty it out, see what I can get out of it, and then I'll be right back. So here's what I did right now. So obviously I cleaned this, and I cleaned the bottom, but I put it back. But now there's all this stuff that I need to clean up. I'm gonna take the vacuum and clean that up. And then I need to fill up the bird food. Oh, bird food. And the bird water. If you have birds at home, I recommend you change the water every day. So yeah, I'll be right back when this is all filled and I'll show you the end results. Finally done, and as you guys can see, the cage looks a lot more cleaner. And Max is enjoying his food that I just refilled. And Rosie is just like, I don't know what she's doing, but he's gonna go down. He's gonna eat. Alright, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, Newser is out.